So we're asked to show that this thing here is equal to tan of 2a. Okay, now we've an awful lot going on here, but we do have some sums and differences. Okay, now sums and differences are normally of two things, so we're going to group together two things on the top and two things on the bottom. Now I want to be left with tan 2a, which I know is sine 2a over cos 2a. So let's leave that sine 2a and the cos 2a there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to change it just slightly. All we're doing is rearranging to put the sine 3a and the sine a together. Okay, and we're going to put the cos 3a and the cos a, which are already together, but that's what we're going to work with. Okay, now we're going to go to our log tables and we're going to go to our sums and differences to products. So I have sine A and sine B on the top. So down here, sine A plus sine B is 2 sine, add the angles over 2, cos, take the angles over 2. And just always make sure that you have the bigger angle first. So what I have here in the brackets is 2 sine 3a plus a over 2. So that's 4a over 2. So that's 2a. And then cos, take the angles, so 3a take a, which is 2a over 2, which is a. So that's the first bracket, minus sine 2a over. Okay, so that bit there, that just comes from page 15 in your log tables. Okay, just this one here, that's where that came from. Now the bottom line, I have cos A plus cos B. So I have this one up here. So 2 cos, add the angles divided by 2, cos, take the angles divided by 2. Okay, so that's just where they're coming from. Okay, so down here I have cos 3a plus cos A. So I know that's going to be 2 cos, add the angles divided by 2, so that's 4a divided by 2, 2a, by cos, take the angles, 2a divided by 2, a. Okay, you're just using those identities from the log tables. Now, if I look here, I can see that sine 2a is common on the top and cos 2a is common on the bottom. So let's factorise out the sine 2a. Sine 2a comes out of here and I'm left with 2 cos a. Sine 2a comes out of here and I'm just left with minus 1. On the bottom, cos 2a is common. If I factorise out the cos 2a, I'm left with 2 cos a. And if I factorise it out of here, I'm left with minus 1. So now those two brackets cancel. I'm left with sine 2a over cos 2a, which is tan 2a, which is what they wanted me to show.